are harvesting our sweet potato beds. These were the beds that were strawberry beds last year, but we decided to do something different because the strawberries didn't come back. So we planted some sweet potatoes, normal potatoes, and then some watermelon and muskmelon plants. And we treated this kind of like a Ronco machine. Set it and forget it. I think we weeded it maybe once, so it's really grown over with weeds, but we're just seeing what we're gonna get out of here. I think Mike's already pulled 3 or 4 sweet potatoes out of there.
Good sized ones.
Good sized ones. So we'll see what we get.
You know what we should have done? Is we should have labeled where we put them.
So we've moved on to the second bed, and we just pulled up the one in the middle and got a giant clump of them with like the biggest sweet potato I've ever seen.
Oh, that's a sweet potato.
So that's pretty cool. We still got about half a bed left, and then we're gonna weigh how much we got. Found another pretty big packet of potatoes.
And what this was where we planted 1 potato in a metal tin, and I literally just took all the dirt from that and just planted it right down, and those seem to be doing the best. It's not ideal if you're doing a whole field, but we got the really good sized ones.